Hey guys, welcome to Woodzman Adventures. I'm Frank. So if you have a Jeep Gladiator like I do, and it has the incandescent taillights, then the LED Factory Mart has a LED set that you can install. Should be real simple. We're going to take these and install them, but I think they're going to be a big improvement over those lights. So let's go ahead and look at the box, get started. Okay, so starting off inside the box here, we'll see what's inside. I've not actually opened these yet. Looks like we need to take out this foam, and the lights are in the foam, like so. So be careful because it looks like we have some loose brackets in there for something. And we have evidently 4 brackets and some screws. And then we have the 2 tail lights left and right themselves. So this is the right and this is the left. All we need to do is take this film off, kind of look at them, see what they look like. Very good looking. These are actually the smoke lens. They may have these in the clear, I'm not sure, but it looks like these are the smoke lens. You can see the separate lights here. So we need to hook these up, see how they work. All right, so when we're removing the tail light, the only thing you should need is either a 8mm or a 5/16 nut driver, or you can use a socket. You want to hold on to the tail light. I don't know if it'll fall off or not, but I wouldn't think so. And we remove the upper screw right here, the lower screw right here. Set these to the side because you're going to reuse them on the new ones. Now, the way you want to take these off is just grab them and pull them straight back towards you. It might be a little bit of a tug, just be careful. And then inside here is the plug. So in here on this plug, what you have is a release tab. They don't just pull out, you pull this red release tab and it clicks forward. Then you can push down on this little black tab right here and then just pull it apart. And now we're ready to install this. Okay, so for your information, the resistor actually plugs in right here with a little plug. And depending on your vehicle and your flasher, you may or may not need this. And I went ahead and plugged mine in off camera to check it, and mine actually does not need the resistor because the flash rate is still good. So if you did need it, then you would take the little bolts and screws supplied, and you would put this bracket on here, use these clips on this bracket, and clip it inside there somewhere where it's out of the way. But that's if you need this unit. Mine will actually not need it, which is a plus. So you want to check yours first and see if it does. So let's go ahead and install this taillight the way it is. Okay, to go ahead and install the taillight, we want to first plug it in, and it just clicks in just like you took it off. Only difference is you don't have the red locking tab on these lights. So push it all the way in until it snaps in. And then we're going to put it back in here. This actually has a place that it locks on up here. It slides onto a little lock tab. Okay, so once we got that locked back in place, we can slide this in straight till we're going to make sure that these pins right here, these brass pins, fit into the rubber grommets located right here and here. Just like that. Now we can put our screws back in. Okay, now I'm showing the difference between the brake light and the tail light. Here is the original light. Here is the LED one. You can see that it's actually like a halo. This one is just that big block over here. So now we will hit the brake. Now you can see the difference between the brake light. A lot better brake light. That's way better than this LED is. Okay, now here is the tail light is on and the backup light's on. So the backup lights are a lot better. This thing is real bright compared to this yellow one over here that is the factory incandescent. Okay, now we have the hazards flashing, so you can see basically turn signal or hazard would look like this. This over is the stock. There's the LED, which is a lot better. So very, very nice compared to the stock incandescent over here. Okay, now I'm going to show them with them both on. So there is the brake lights, looking real cool. There's the tail lights, she's turned on. Now turn on the backup lights. There you go, there's the backup lights. Looks real cool. So I do like the backup lights, they're super bright. So there's the hazard, so you can see basically both turn signals. Looking good, look at them tail lights. I love the look of those tail lights. Look how good that smoke light looks on there.
I love that smoky version.
Super, awesome. They look awesome compared to the original big red lights sticking out. That smoke look actually looks great. I wasn't thinking I wanted smoke look, but it turned out to be awesome.
I like it better than that ugly red sticking out.
No doubt. So that is all there is to the LED Factory Mart taillights install on the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. I'm sure the 2021, 2022 is going to be the same thing. So thank you guys for watching. Check out the link below. Click the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. and I'll catch you on the next one. Right on.